Hey everybody, it's Tuesday, April 28th. Hope you had a good day yesterday and were able to get through with chapters 21 and 22. For today, it is an online learning support day. So we will have a Google Meet today at 2 p.m. The link is up here where it always is in the assignment. So if you just click on that, the assignment, you should be able to just click on that link to join us, okay? And we always have a discussion post on those days as well. So make sure you jump on and read the discussion post, and it will probably be asking you something about chapters 21 and 22. Okay. Again, make sure you look at your PowerSchool, look and see if you have your graded assignments turned in. Let us know if you have any questions, any concerns, something's not opening, if you want to retake something to get a better grade. Whatever it is, we're here to help you, and we want to make sure that you will have a successful quarter 4. So anything that's out there that you would like to redo it. Let us know that you've done it again, and we'll go in and certainly look at it and grade it over for you. Okay? Have a super day, and hope to see you at 2 o'clock. Bye.